This is a 2-hole walk range custom made by Town Foodservice Equipment in New York. Top of the line range. Customer opted for the optional Waterfall Backsplash. You just flip this lever up. Keeps the backsplash of the range nice and cool. Also keeps your top cool. You can see it drains down. All funnels out and drains down. It also washes any debris down into this catch tray here, which can be cleaned out easily. Let's turn these bad boys on. This unit has around 200,000 BTUs of power. Automatic faucets. Beautiful range. If you're looking for something like this, just call Western Equipment Sales, 866-585-6978. Be happy to sell you one.